Before details, please subscribe our CIS News Studio 1S channel. News details.
Despite growing alignment on defense, France and Germany remain divided by strategic goals and fiscal capacity. Both nations agree Russia is the EU's greatest threat and have pledged billions for defense, but France's strategic autonomy and nuclear priorities clash with Germany's. Multilateral approach. Disputes over a joint €100 billion fighter jet project and fiscal limits further slow integration. As Germany calls for rule changes and France proposes joint EU borrowing, the vision of a united EU defense remains elusive. Experts warn the Ukraine crisis may result in EU enlargement rather than deeper military or fiscal integration.
Do not forget to subscribe our CIS News Studio 1S channel and click the bell button to receive updated news.